Man, we had went ahead in the last video, took off the front bumper, and we tested the KVD body kits bumper. And if y'all didn't see that video, go check it out. But to get this off is literally 1, 2, and then 1 at the bottom, 3 screws. So here go my new headlights right here, and I'm gonna put the old ones in this little tray and put them in this box and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I just gotta see which one is driver, which one is passenger. What's this? This is driver side. So but yeah, this is the headlight. Now what I'm gonna do while I still got the plastic on, we're gonna test it with the plastic on and the plastic off. So all right, there y'all go. I'm finna first we're gonna go ahead and cut on the running light. That's the running light, y'all. And then we turn on my headlight. Sheesh, look how bright that is. All right, turn that off. So that's the running light. Now let me cut the blinker on. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. This video we finna finally go ahead and install my new headlights that I bought for this car. Like I said, it's a huge upgrade for this car. Now I am gonna have to use my Dremel and cut down on the bumper on my OEM and my SRT bumper, because SRT bumper not going on today. I got it on right now just for a mock-up, but it's not going on today. I can't leave it on because I still gotta prime it, paint it, sand it, you know what I'm saying? So my OEM bumper is gonna have to go back on, so I'm gonna have to trim down the edge because of my side marker. That's all it is. It's a little edge piece for the side marker, but my new headlights, the side marker and the headlights all one piece. It's just all one full light, you know what I'm saying? One full headlight housing. So I'm gonna have to use my Dremel and Dremel it down, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit, just to get it down. And then from there, put the headlight on, you know what I'm saying? So hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on to where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep going to elevating together. If y'all didn't check out the last video, go check it out where we went ahead and mocked up my KVD SRT front bumper, bro, and it looks so fire. Fitment is gonna be perfect. Now all I gotta do, I'm gonna try to do it today, is Dremel. Well, not even Dremel, but yeah, I'm a Dremel too, but drill out the holes for the clips and the bolts to go in, and I gotta sand it, primer it, paint it. Then that's it. It's done, you know what I'm saying? And then I can finally throw it on this car. By the time I finish all that, hopefully my grill will be in. I don't think I'm gonna paint it this weekend. I think I'm gonna primer it this weekend, but not paint it this weekend. I think I'm gonna paint it next weekend, which my grill come in 2 days from today. 2 days from today, which is Monday. You feel me? So yeah, I'm excited though, man. I hope y'all are. I'm finna go ahead and put the headlights on, which is I've been waiting a little minute for. Been waiting a little while to get done. You know what I'm saying? Because like I told you, I wanted to have a day where I woke up, and as soon as I woke up, come over here and straight take the front bumper off and then do the headlights. You feel me? That way I can, while I got the bumper off, I can drill out the holes on the KVD front bumper for this car. So that's why I was waiting and waiting, you know what I'm saying? I'm not even waiting that long. It's been like a week and a half, maybe, probably not even that long. But yeah, we're finna get this done, man. I hope y'all enjoy. And yeah, I catch on once we get outside the car. The front bumper already off, so literally all we gotta do is unscrew the old headlights, screw in the new headlights, and call it a day. So catch on once I get outside the car. All right, y'all, so like I told y'all, man, we had went ahead in the last video, took off the front bumper, and we tested the KVD body kits bumper. And if y'all didn't see that video, go check it out. But to get this off is literally 1, 2, and then 1 at the bottom, 3 screws. So here go my new headlights right here, and I'm gonna put the old ones in this little tray and put them in this box and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I just gotta see which one is driver, which one is passenger. What's this? This is driver side. So now that I got the driver side one, what we're gonna do is go ahead and pull that off. I'm actually not gonna sit on the ground because I don't want it to scrape. Ooh, be careful. So I'm gonna sit y'all. So how I'm gonna do this? Sit this one on the ground like that, and like I said, I'm gonna have to change over my bulbs except for my turn signal running light bulb. So I'm gonna sit y'all here. All right, and we're gonna take off one together. I'm probably gonna do the other one off camera, and I'm gonna turn y'all back on, and we're gonna test them out, make sure everything works. Well, really just the running light, make sure it works. And then like like I said before, I can put the bumper back on, I have to trim down the side part where the side marker went. So I can actually go ahead and do this side marker. And this is not my first time doing headlights. Actually, I want to show y'all real quick. My uncle got a 2014 Charger RT, and I had changed his headlight housing a couple days ago, and that's what they look like. Can y'all see it? So I basically convinced him to get some new headlights, and he let me put them in for him. Smoked out headlights, bro. They look so good. They look so good in person. Y'all gotta see it in person. But yeah, I convinced him to do that, and he let me do, or he got them and he let me put them on for him, and it came out so good, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it looks so good. They smoked out. They the same as OEM, just smoked out. I changed his bulbs to bright LEDs. You know, it just looks so much better. I'm telling y'all. So cool. Turn signal bulb out. Headlight bulb. Come on out. Come on now. Where's the cut on? I see. There we go. Come on up out of there. So this is, y'all know, my OEM one. It's out now. Now we ain't got no eyeballs. We ain't got no eyes. So side marker and headlight is now out, like I told y'all, and y'all see this one is done. So it was time for a new one anyways. And this is the replacement driver side. Let's see. Yeah, I'm supposed to open it up. So I'm gonna have to tighten up the bolts on the back here, because they are not tight at all. This housing is a little loose. So real quick, what I'm gonna have to do is tighten these up. I see what size they are. 7 maybe. Actually it look like an 8 or 9. Yeah, way too little. Might be a 10. Yeah. 10. Yep. I'm just gonna hand tighten them. I'm not gonna use the ratchet. Well, I might use the ratchet just to make sure it's extra tight, but I don't want this housing to break because I don't have no other one. So I might go ahead and use the ratchet real quick. Make sure it's tight. I don't want to go too tight because I don't want to stress it out and break it. That should be good. And like I said, this is the side marker plug here. I gotta put my headlight and high beam in. So let's go ahead and put this in. Thinking here. There we go there. I'm guessing. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this one. I don't know. But headlight. Well, can't use that headlight. do this off camera. This is really frustrating me. That should be good. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna get this headlight up on off camera and then get it on. Then when I get both of them, come back to y'all, show y'all what they look like. We're gonna test them out and we're gonna go on from there. So stay tuned and I will catch y'all in 1 second. Alright y'all, I'm finished, fully finished, you know what I'm saying? And y'all can see, got the old headlights packed up in there. This is trash, so don't worry about that. That's trash, but actually, y'all gonna wait a second. When I tell y'all the animation on this headlight, you know what I'm saying, the daytime running light to the blinker, so fire, bro. The blinker animation is just so fire, bro. I'm so happy I picked out this headlight. Now, we still gotta take the plastic wrapper off, but we also gotta test them out. I gotta let y'all see how they look. Now, but I'm telling y'all, this didn't take me long at all. It was just a matter of getting the bulbs in, you know what I'm saying? That was it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely gonna have to order some more bright LED bulbs that'll go in the house and a little easier. But for now, bro, they in, everything is working and everything looks fuego. This smoke look was really to go, you know what I'm saying? This was really the move. So yeah, man, enough of me talking. I know some of y'all probably fast forward, but here you go. Sheesh. Brand new headlights, both sides are on. Like I said, we gotta take the plastic off, but I'm gonna wait a second. So I gotta test my OEM bumper on to make sure I do have to cut the little piece that goes behind the side marker, which I think I am gonna have to do. But yeah, it don't really bother me, you know what I'm saying? I ain't really too worried about cutting that little piece, because that little piece don't make a huge difference, you know what I'm saying? It ain't that big of a deal. But yeah, this is the headlight. Now what I'm gonna do while I still got the plastic on, we're gonna test it with the plastic on and the plastic off. So all right, there y'all go. I'm finna first we're gonna go ahead and cut on the running light. That's the running light, y'all. And then we turn on my headlight. Sheesh, look how bright that is. All right, turn that off. So that's the running light. Now let me cut the blinker on. Bro, look at that. Bro, look at that animation, bro. Bro, that animation is so hard. Like I said, we modernizing the front end. That's what we doing. That's the animation, man. The animation is so fire. And I turned the hazards on, so both sides. Yep, both sides should be working. Perfect, bro. That is so fire. The animation is so fire. So fire, bro. Now let me go ahead and cut the hazard back off. Had a running light on. Running light both sides. The running light don't do no animation, it just pops on, but it ain't too bright. And then y'all know my halos don't cut on until I turn the car on and turn the switch on. But yeah, both sides. But these headlights are so hard. This was definitely worth it, I'm telling y'all. And then turn my headlights back on, show y'all how bright my headlights are. It's my headlights on both sides, good to go. And then I got bright LEDs for my high beams as well. But y'all know I also got fog lights, which are down there. But yeah, headlights, running lights, everything works perfect, bro. Perfectly. Shut this console down. So that's it, man. That's it now. Here go the satisfying part of taking the plastic off. Sheesh. Modernizing my V6 Charger. Y'all know V6, but it is what it is. Modernizing it. Now I just gotta hope these headlights don't fog up, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna have to try and get some more. But yeah, I love these headlights. They was definitely worth it. So this one off, let's go ahead and take. Sheesh, bro. Y'all let me know what y'all think. How y'all feel about the smoked out look on the front end? And then we're gonna have, like I said, the KVD front bumper. Maybe I'll put that back on so y'all can get a better visual. But yeah, that's what we rocking with, man. That's it. Like I said, man, y'all let me know how y'all feel about the new headlights, man. Brand new headlights. It got a LED strip, and the strip turned into the blinker, bro. And it's just so fire, bro. I'm telling y'all, it's so fire. This looks so good. So like I said, let me know what y'all think. I'm finna throw this on there and see how it is, and then I gotta trim out the side like I told y'all. But yeah, give me 1 second, throw that up there. We're gonna see how it look with the KBD front bumper. All right, y'all, so these headlights do look really, really good with this front bumper, but like I told y'all, I'm gonna have to cut this off. So yep, we're going to cut it off on this one and this one, because we putting this one back on for now until y'all know we paint this one. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off. All right, get this side, and now it's ready to come on now. There we go. So yeah, man, that's what's going on. Make sure. So yeah, man, that's the headlights. Like I said, in the next video we're gonna go ahead and cut out the holes and stuff for that one, and then trim off the little piece for that, and then we're gonna throw it back on the car. So y'all stay tuned, hope y'all enjoy, and I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. All right, y'all, one last thing we gotta do, man. I've been so excited to get them headlights on. I've been waiting for so long. Not even so long, bro. That's definitely exaggerating, but I've been waiting for about a week and a half to do them, to put them on. No, it's been, today makes 1 week, so I've only been waiting a week. But yeah, I've just been really excited to put them headlights on, and now that they in, bro, I'm telling you, they look so fire. I did not know the turn signal animation was gonna be like that. I should have figured that because it was the whole strip. But yeah, man, seeing that, bro, it is so fire, bro, so fire. So the headlights and the tail lights are a little different, but they both smoked out tail lights, and they both LED'd and all that type of stuff. So yeah, man, we got that done. Now the next step is gonna be, come on now, don't make no sense. But yeah, next step, we finna go ahead in the next video trim out the KBD front bumper. I can barely even think because they, hold on, y'all, I'm gonna wait till they turn their car off. So like I told y'all, man, I've been super excited to get these headlights in, and they in, you know what I'm saying? The only thing I had to, well, I had to put my own bulbs in, but you feel me, it came with the turn signal little LED strip and the corner light LED strip, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I just had to change over my LED bulbs and then put the new housing on. So we got that done. Like I told y'all, man, I've been so excited to get them in and on this car, and they finally on. And now, like I said, I'm gonna have to trim out my KBD front bumper and the original bumper right there where the side marker light used to be. Now it's all, like I said, it's all one piece, so I'm gonna have to trim that off so everything will line up and fit right, you feel me? And then next video though, we're gonna do that in the next video, and we're gonna also drill out the hose for my KBD body kit bumper. So y'all stay tuned for that. That's gonna be the next video and the next thing we do. But other than that, man, hope y'all enjoyed, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep growing and elevating together. Leave y'all opinions about the headlights in the comments. I love them, bro. I love them. Like, bro, they are so fire. They are so hard, bro. I love them. And they was definitely worth it, bro. I'm telling you, they was worth it. Like I said, like 220, I think, bro. 200, somewhere around there. It was definitely worth it, though. Like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think. I'll catch y'all in the next video where we is on one of the last steps with the KBD body kit bumper, and that's drilling out the hose. So yeah, catch y'all in the next one. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless. Peace out.